few days ago I received the Contour RollerMouse Red wireless in the post, and this is its unboxing video. So first off we have the quick start guide. Here we have a micro USB cable for charging and connectivity. Here we have a wrist rest removal key. Here we have a USB 2 cable adapter. And this is a pair of keyboard risers. So here we have it, this is the Contour RollerMouse Red wireless. So running across the full length of the back we have the roller bar. This is for the cursor movement. It also acts as a left click if you push it down. And along the front we have a full padded wrist rest. In the centre of the wrist rest we have 6 buttons along with the roller wheel, which also acts as a button itself. The top left button is the copy button, the top middle button controls the cursor speed, the top right button is the paste, we have the left click button on the left and the right click button on the right, we have the scroller wheel in the middle and a paste button at the bottom. On the left hand side edge we have a micro USB port for connectivity and charging. On the rear we have the wireless receiver dongle, and we also have a on-off switch. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, please leave those in the comments below.